Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We are looking at a continuous contract of the S&P E-mini futures market on a 60-minute basis. And this is, with this morning's price action, we've rallied up into significantly overvalued, which with my bearish outlook longer term would represent a potentially potential low risk selling opportunity. I actually shorted a few of these contracts at the 1384 level, so I've added on to my short position, and the market's action this morning where it traded up into significantly overvalued really caught my attention. So I don't think I have to risk a lot in this trade if my outlook proves correct here. And as always, these markets never go straight down or straight up. They're going to chop around, they're going to test us a little bit, but when we trade on the right side of value, we really put ourselves in a fairly attractive position to not really have to experience a lot of pain, assuming that our eventual outlook actually does materialize. So these types of entries could be used for either a quick profit, and if you're looking for a short-term value range trade, entering at significantly overvalued, again, the upper red bar segments, and then exiting this next sell-off, assuming the market goes back down and trades in moderately undervalued, which is indicated by the lower yellow bar segments, would be a potential great exit point. We call that a value target, and this type of trading we would call value range trading. So that would be a good place to potentially cover our shorts, but what I'm trying to do is hold on for a longer term sell-off. So right now my position I just added is now almost 2 points in the money here, and this is just to serve as a attention getter, if you will, when the markets trade into significantly overvalued on a 60-minute basis or 120-minute basis or even 240-minute bar basis. We want to take a look at the market when that happens, because oftentimes that type of price action represents a good selling opportunity for the shorts here, or on the opposite side, if we're bullish a market and we have a long-term upward bias, then the significantly undervalued price points would be worth looking at to add or initiate long positions. Right now, we'll continue to watch this market to see what happens, but I'm expecting us to retest the lows here over the next couple of days, or maybe sooner, and then maybe start to sell off here on a more regimented basis. That's all we have for this video. Thanks for watching.